Hey yo, trade recap. I know this is a bit late, but let's jump straight into it. So, starting off, I actually traded on a Friday before New York. I heard there is the Jackson's asshole, which is gonna create high volatility and chaos in the markets. So I thought, yep, I'm going nowhere to that, and I'm guessing TJR was there to crack a few people, including guys and girls. So I wasn't gonna be at home during New York Open anyways. That's why I traded before New York. So anyways, yeah, on the hourly we swept out major 1 hour highs. We swept out session highs, swept out Asia, and on ES it did the same as well. So I went down on the lower time frame and I marked out this unfilled 5 minute, which I thought we would have tapped, but we didn't. So I marked out this 5 minute bullish fair value gap, waiting for it to get inversed, and then take the trade down to this unfilled 5 and unfilled 30 minute. Overall, my high time frame bias was bearish because we're just in a downtrend overall. But of course, these two hourly candles did close pretty bearish, so bullish. I mean, so I know we could have continued to go up higher, which we did just that. Wow, what a trick candle! That's probably due to Jackson's asshole. Yeah, I was aware that we could be in bullish structure. We also had a market structure shift right here, but I was planning to take the retrace. I thought price could potentially retrace down and then head up, creating the longer hourly wick. That's why I marked out this 5 minute fair value gap. And if it inversed on both ES and NQ, I would have taken that short down to somewhere here, break even at the gap, and it would have been a nice clean 1-to-1 RR. Except that didn't happen. I would only take it if both ES and NQ inverse it, and it didn't happen. But what I did notice was that, hey, overall price is looking bullish. It doesn't look like we want to head down further. And there's the 5 or 3 minute unfilled gap above, which I wanted us to tap into to then get the short, but we ended up not getting that. So yeah. And also, another confluence that made me long was because on NQ, or no, sorry, on ES, we were freaking creating equal highs nonstop. Yeah, like this looks so ugly, bro. Like, why am I looking at it? Oh god. Yeah. So I wanted those equal highs to get ran. That's why I was looking for lumps. Yeah, we did inversus gap, and we were also having this AMD consolidation breakdown, and we have this nice 1 minute inversion here to go up. We tapped into the lower part of the 5 minute fair value gap. We reacted off of it cleanly with the 1 minute inverse, so I thought this is good enough for longs. The candle did close up here, but I did set a limit in case if it went down before it hit this high, then hey, I'll be in longs. I thought that would happen, but hey, it ended up happening. Stops at the swing low. It triggered my limit, and we just slowly grind up, grind up. The moment it hit this high, yep, I went break even, and afterwards, price just slowly went up for a 1-to-1 RR, which, yeah, really lovely. I could have obviously scaled partials and hold further up, and, well, nice RR, 2.5 to 3 RR, but yeah, I just didn't want to risk that. Honestly, a 1-to-1 RR is enough for me, and thanks to this win, I am pretty much almost back at 50k from my funded account. Yeah, wiping out those two losses with just one win, and that's the power of risk management. And also on ES, we did create equal highs earlier before I hit my TP on NQ, so that honestly looks pretty scary. But I didn't micromanage. I traded with discipline, followed my rules, and yeah, nice win. And here is the trade recap. Yep, really nice and clean win. I'll see y'all next week.